You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these two phrases from Latin, and we'll be looking at how to say more Latin vocabulary too, correct pronunciation, so stay tuned. Magna Cum Laude. Magna Cum Laude. It's also another expression to say Summa Cum Laude. Summa Cum Laude and Magna Cum Laude. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.